Meaning of hierarchy.
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 Hierarchy. Hierarchy refers to a system in which people or things are ranked according to their importance, authority, or power. It is a way of organizing individuals or objects based on levels of seniority and control. In a hierarchical structure, there are levels of command, with those at the top having superior control and decision-making abilities, while those at the bottom have limited power. The hierarchy is often represented as a pyramid, with the highest level at the top and lowest at the base. This system can be found in various aspects of life, including government, organizations, and society.